Van Cleef and Arpels. When you hear the name, you likely think of elegance, timeless style, and unparalleled craftsmanship. For over a century, this Parisian brand has been synonymous with luxury and exquisite jewelry creations that blend artistic beauty with precision. But how are these iconic pieces actually made? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes into the intricate and fascinating world of Van Cleef and Arpels jewelry craftsmanship. Before we dive into the jewelry making process, let's take a quick look at the brand's history. Van Cleef and Arpels was established in 1906 by Alfred Van Cleef and his uncle Salomon Arpels. Their unique pieces quickly attracted a discerning clientele, and the brand became a favorite among royals, celebrities, and high society around the world. Many of their pieces are inspired by nature, from delicate floral motifs to whimsical animals, blending elegance with an enchanting touch. For Van Cleef and Arpels, jewelry isn't just decoration. It's a story, a legacy, and a piece of art. One of Van Cleef and Arpels' most famous innovations is the mystery set, a patented technique developed in the 1930s. This allows gemstones to be set without visible prongs, creating a seamless look. The brand also popularized the iconic Alhambra collection, which is inspired by the shape of a four-leaf clover, symbolizing luck, health, and love. Every piece of Van Cleef and Arpels jewelry starts as an idea. Their jewelry designers work closely with creative directors to create collections that evoke the brand's signature blend of elegance and innovation. A Van Cleef and Arpels piece is not only about aesthetics, but about storytelling. Inspiration is drawn from nature, mythology, fairy tales, and even the cosmos. Each new piece starts with a hand-drawn sketch that captures the design's essence. Designers and craftsmen meticulously consider how each piece will look when worn, how it will feel, how it will catch light, how it will move, ensuring that it embodies the brand's values of harmony, balance, and sophistication. The goal is to create jewelry that doesn't just look beautiful, but also feels like an extension of the wearer. This is a critical phase. Each line, shape, and detail is refined to perfection. In some cases, the initial design phase can take weeks or even months. Once a design is finalized, the next step is to source materials. This process is where the commitment to excellence shines through. Van Cleef and Arpels is known for using only the highest quality gemstones and metals. Gemologists work meticulously to source diamonds, emeralds, sapphires, rubies, and other gemstones from around the world, ensuring that only stones of exceptional quality and clarity are selected. Each gemstone is carefully examined and hand-picked by expert gemologists. These specialists assess the stones for color, clarity, and brilliance, ensuring that each gem is nothing less than extraordinary. The selection process can take weeks to find stones that match Van Cleef and Arpels' high standards. Gold, platinum, and precious metals are also sourced with care. Van Cleef and Arpels only works with ethical suppliers who uphold strict environmental and social standards. Matching stones for color and size is an art in itself. In many pieces, Van Cleef and Arpels creates gradients of color requiring precise calibration of gemstones to achieve seamless transitions. The chosen gems are not just beautiful, they're symbols of quality, passion, and dedication to the craft. One of the most delicate steps in the process is cutting the gemstones. Each stone is expertly cut to bring out its natural brilliance and maximize its color. Gem cutters at Van Cleef and Arpels are highly skilled, often trained for years to master the brand's precision standards. Precision is essential, as a single misstep could damage the stone. Every cut and facet must be made with great care to ensure the stone's beauty is enhanced to its fullest potential. One of Van Cleef and Arpels' most remarkable techniques is the mystery setting. This patented technique, invented by the house in 1933, allows gemstones to be set without any visible prongs or metal, giving the piece a seamless, almost magical appearance. This technique requires intense precision, as stones are custom cut to fit together flawlessly. This intricate process can take up to 300 hours to complete, as each stone must be individually cut and shaped to fit the setting. Mystery setting demands absolute precision. Only a handful of craftsmen worldwide can execute this technique. Van Cleef & Arpels is known for other unique setting techniques too. From paved diamond settings that create a sea of brilliance to intricate prong settings that bring out the depth of each stone, every setting is chosen to complement and enhance the gem's natural beauty. Van Cleef & Arpels artisans then move on to crafting the metal framework that holds the gemstones. This is no ordinary setting process. For bracelets, necklaces, and rings, the structure must be as flexible as it is strong. Craftsmen begin by molding a metal framework, often using platinum or 18-karat gold. Each piece is carefully hand-forged by master jewelers who meticulously bend, sculpt, and shape the metal according to the design's specifications. This framework is then refined and polished to create a smooth surface for the gemstones. For some pieces, goldsmiths add tiny hinges or clasps that allow movement, adding a layer of comfort and elegance to the piece. The aim is not only to create a durable piece, but also one that feels like silk against the skin. Whether working with platinum, white gold, yellow gold, or rose gold, the metal must be molded to hold the stones securely and invisibly while allowing the jewelry to maintain flexibility and elegance when worn. Once the metal framework is crafted, it's time to bring together the gemstones and metalwork. This stage is all about precision, as each stone is carefully set by hand and any mistake can disrupt the integrity of the piece. Artisans work under magnifying glasses, placing each gemstone with precision and care. For pieces with complex designs, such as floral motifs or animals, stones are meticulously arranged to create a sense of depth, texture, and realism. For Van Cleef & Arpels, even the smallest details matter. If a single stone isn't perfectly placed, the entire piece will be taken apart and redone. This dedication to perfection ensures that every Van Cleef & Arpels piece is flawless. In the Alhambra section, for instance, every stone and metal piece is symmetrically set to create that classic clover shape, requiring absolute attention to detail. After assembly, each piece undergoes an intense polishing process to achieve the iconic Van Cleef & Arpels shine. Polishing is done by hand, using a series of tools and techniques to ensure every surface is flawless. This is the finishing touch that gives Van Cleef & Arpels jewelry its unmistakable allure. This step not only gives the jewelry its lustrous finish, but also highlights the craftsmanship involved in each detail, ensuring it sparkles beautifully when worn. Before it's ready for the world, each piece undergoes a rigorous quality control process. Quality control is a crucial final step in the creation process. Every piece undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets Van Cleef & Arpels' standards. Artisans inspect each piece for structural integrity, craftsmanship, and beauty, making sure that only the finest pieces make it to the boutiques. Each jewel is scrutinized to ensure it's flawless and ready to become a cherished treasure for its new owner. Only after passing these tests can a piece proudly bear the Van Cleef & Arpels name. What sets Van Cleef & Arpels apart isn't just its history or even its craftsmanship. It's the brand's dedication to timeless beauty, innovation, and quality. Each piece represents a legacy, blending traditional techniques with modern artistry. For those who wear Van Cleef & Arpels, their jewelry is more than an accessory. It's a story, a masterpiece, and a symbol of refined elegance. From the Alhambra to the mystery set pieces, every design carries a heritage of meticulous craftsmanship and an unparalleled commitment to beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the art of Van Cleef & Arpels jewelry making. If you enjoyed learning about the process behind these stunning creations, be sure to watch our video on how Chanel bags are made. Please like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which jewelry house you'd like us to explore next. Until next time, keep indulging in the art of luxury craftsmanship.